Hey there viewers, welcome back to our channel Crypto Shield. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Are you sick of believing that there is always a threat to your cryptocurrency? Hello to the SecuX V20, your digital shield, and goodbye to the restless nights. Together, we will open the lid on this ultimate crypto protector and discover its mysteries. It's time to reveal the hidden treasure. We find a wallet device protection bag, an extensive user manual, 2 essential recovery phrase sheets, and a convenient USB-C charger inside the box. Let's turn the gadget on now and start the setup process. We'll set up a pin, give our gadget a name, choose to make a new wallet, and carefully write down the recovery phrases. After that, we'll quickly sync our device with our phone by scanning a QR code, and for extra protection, we'll strengthen our account portfolio with a password. We find a multitude of necessities for our crypto adventure within the box. A comprehensive set of instructions is included with the SecuX V20 device, providing information on key features like password and secret wallet compatibilities. This feature of the hidden wallet is revolutionary because it adds an additional degree of security in the event of unanticipated events such as possible kidnapping situation. Furthermore, we must not overlook the essential micro USB charging cable, which guarantees that our gadget is always fully charged. We can easily carry our SecuX V20 cryptocurrency holdings close at the hand. The tool recovery sheet, where we'll carefully record our recovery seeds, are possibly the most important parts. These seeds meet VIP requirements, providing comfort in knowing that our cryptocurrency holdings are protected from all potential threats. Having these recovery seeds on hand can be a lifesaver during difficult times, as I have personally witnessed, guaranteeing that we will always have access to our money. Let's now turn on the gadget and start the setup procedure. We may quickly prepare our SecuX V20 for use by following a few easy steps, such as generating our recovery phrases and creating a PIN number with the help of unambiguous on-screen directions. The procedure is simple and intuitive. When everything is configured, a modern touchscreen interface greets us and makes navigation simple. Adding accounts, managing our portfolio, and exploring the features like Bluetooth and secret wallet compatibility are all quite simple. Everything is made with the ease and security of users in mind, giving us the resources we need to manage our cryptocurrency holdings. Let's now discuss a typical issue, the lack of open source code. Although some would consider this is a negative, it's important to keep in mind that confidence in the firm that created the gadget is crucial. I have thoroughly investigated and examined SecuX, and I haven't discovered any issues. So I can recommend the SecuX V20 with confidence as a dependable and secure choice for handling your cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, the SecuX V20 provides a complete solution for protecting your cryptocurrency holdings. This gadget was made cryptocurrency fans' needs in mind, from its strong security features to its intuitive UI. Therefore, the SecuX V20 is the only hardware wallet you need if you are looking for dependable protection for your digital assets. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to ask any questions or make any comments below as usual. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Take care. This is Crypto Shield. See you in the next one.